Hey guys! In this video, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to fill out Form W-8BEN as a non-resident individual owner of a US single-member LLC. If you operate an American LLC from abroad as a foreign founder, payment gateways, platforms, and clients will frequently demand a completed tax form before releasing your funds. Because a single-member LLC is classified by the IRS as a disregarded pass-through entity, the tax status flows directly down to you as the individual beneficial owner. Filing Form W-8BEN certifies your foreign status, prevents payers from automatically withholding 30% of your revenue, and allows you to claim double taxation treaty benefits. Let us walk line by line through the entire document so you can submit a flawless application without trigger delays. Part 1 is the Identification of Beneficial Owner section. On line 1, type your full legal individual name exactly as it appears on your passport. Do not write your LLC company name here. That is the #1 mistake foreign founders make. Line 2 requires your country of citizenship. On line 3, type your permanent foreign residential address, including your street name, city, state or province, and postal code. The IRS strictly prohibits using a P.O. box, virtual office address, or your U.S. registered agent address in this section. It must be your actual home address in your native country. If your mailing address differs from your residential address, enter it on line 4. Next are the tax numbers. Line 5 asks for a U.S. taxpayer identification number, such as an ITIN or SSN. If you do not have one, leave line 5 completely blank. However, line 6A is mandatory for almost everyone. Enter your home country's foreign tax identification number, commonly known as your local national tax ID or personal tax code. On line 8, enter your date of birth using the strict U.S. format of month, day, and 4-digit year. Part 2 is the Claim of Tax Treaty Benefits section. If your country of residence maintains an active double taxation treaty with the United States, check the box on line 9 and write the name of your country. Line 10 allows you to claim specific reduced withholding tax rates on passive U.S.-sourced royalties or interest by citing the exact treaty article number. Finally, we reach Part 3, which is the official certification. Carefully read the statements confirming that you are the beneficial owner and not a U.S. citizen. Sign your full legal name on the signature line, type today's date in the month, day, year format, and check the box certifying that you have the legal capacity to sign. Remember, you do not mail Form W-8BEN directly to the IRS. Instead, you submit the completed form straight to the client, bank, or payment processor requesting it. Your Form W-8BEN remains legally valid for 3 full calendar years, keeping your international business fully compliant and your revenue protected. Subscribe for more.